So one of the big things that makes this setup different from a regular OpenClaw setup is that NemoClaw will block everything by default. So if you want your assistant to actually install a new skill, you'll need to tell NemoClaw to allow it. And there are two ways to do this. And the first way is by adding a preset. NemoClaw has built-in presets for most of the common services that you'll need. To add a preset, let's go back over to our VPS terminal. And here we'll type in NemoClaw my-assistant policy-add. Press enter. And here it's going to give you that list of presets that we saw earlier. This list is continuously expanding, so right now when I'm recording this video, there are only 11 available. But later on in the future, there should be more here. The biggest benefit to using these presets is that they're 100% safe to use, and they are the easiest way to add new skills to your OpenClaw setup. Now for skills that aren't listed in this preset list, those can be a little bit trickier with NemoClaw. To exit this here, I'm going to press Ctrl and C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to type in OpenShell term and press enter. And this is going to open a live monitoring view where you can see exactly what NemoClaw is blocking in real time. Whenever you're testing out new skills, you'll leave this terminal UI open, then go trigger the action that you want your assistant to do. If NemoClaw blocks it, the blocked request will appear here in the terminal UI. You'll then review the request, approve it if it makes sense, then test the action again. And if you ever need to allow a custom service that doesn't have a preset, you can check the NemoClaw docs on customizing your network policy. I'll leave a link to that in the video description.